Hello everyone, Cherif Medawar here, and I decided to do one more video to explain to you how to have your money safely right now deposited in various accounts. So if you have a bank, you can have a personal account. You have the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation protecting you up to $250,000. What if you have more than $250,000? You can open multiple accounts. Open a second one for under your spouse's name, your son, your daughter, etc. So you can maybe leave the same personal account and add beneficiaries on that same account. Each beneficiary will have up to $250,000. So if you have $1 million in an account, you can have you, your spouse, your son, your daughter, something like this. You'll have the FDIC. You can use something that I was surprised a lot of people didn't know, something called ICS, and which is actually insurance swap, it's cash sweep. And the insurance cash sweep is an intra-fi system that was actually created in 2002. Actually, intra-fi was created. And this is deposit swapping. So for example, because I have a real estate fund, we have millions of dollars. So when I deposit, let's say $1 million, it's sitting in the account. This morning I was talking to the bank and they explained that the 250, I had actually signed for that system. So 250 sits with that bank. And then I can see on the side that 750,000 is actually some with Chase, Wells Fargo, and another bank, Citigroup. I don't want to say the exact name of the banks we're using. You can even exclude some banks. Like there's some banks that I want them to deposit money in. And what happens is, even though I'm just dealing with one bank, I can see that my money through the actual deposit swapping is protected up to 1 million because it's 250 in each bank account. And when I make a transaction, they just transfer the money right away. It's beautiful. If you are an investor and you have securities, like you're buying stocks, you're buying you're doing some currency exchanges, whatever, you will have the SIPC, which is the Securities Investors Protection Corporation, that actually covers you up to 500,000. If you have 500,000 in securities, let's say you bought some IBM shares, 500,000 is all protected. More than that, have two accounts, have the same system. Okay, add beneficiaries, have different accounts, etc. And what if you have cash sitting? The cash in your investment accounts, in your trading accounts, as an investor will be protected up to 250. So you should have also at least 250 in securities, because if you have 500,000 in cash there, you better have two beneficiaries or two accounts, etc. So again, investors accounts, you have the SIPC insurance up to 500,000 in securities, and if you have cash, no more than 250,000 insured there. If you have a credit union, that is the NCUSI, which is the National Credit Union Share Insurance, and it covers you up to 250,000. Same system for banks. Again, add beneficiaries, open two separate accounts, etc., etc. You can take your money and put it in U.S. Treasury bonds, or use what wise people do, which they take their money and buy or invest in funds, investing in real estate, or you can buy your own real estate. Brick and mortar is where the money is. It's the real assets. Inflation happens, your rent increases, your property value increases because replacement cost is better. That's why getting in real estate is the best thing. Staying in real estate is the best thing. But if it's not your gig, it's not what you do, this is going to be how you get protected. FDIC, SIPC, NCUSI, and that's just how it works. Or put your money in treasury bonds. They're paying 4% right now. All the best to you. Hopefully I helped you. Thank you.